Okay, welcome to video number 2 for the Snakes and Ladders video investigation. In video 1 we produced our state matrices here. Over on the left here in the algebra view we've got our initial state matrix and our transition matrix. What we want to do now is produce a graph and analyze when the games will have finished by, work out what the percentage chance is that a game is finished by a certain term. So we'll put our turn numbers in here, same way as before. So in this cell here I'm going to type equals, select the one above, +1, and then fill that down. Okay. And then in this term, actually what we want to do is pull out this element here in these matrices, because it's this number here in the final column of each matrix that tells us the percentage chance that the game is finished. So for example here in turn 11 there's a 0.717 or 72% chance that the game has finished by then. Okay, so to do that, we go up here, type equals, element, open a square bracket. You'll probably get the close bracket as well. Come up, click in the matrix over here, which is in cell K2, comma 1 because it's the first row of the matrix. Even though the matrix has only got 1, you have to put a 1. And then it's the 7th column, so just identifies that element there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we would expect it to come up 0, but let's fill that down. Yeah, we can see it's worked. That all matches up. Now you might want to times all these values by 100, turn them into percentages. Let's right click, go to object properties, and in here you can see what we typed in earlier. Multiply, so times by 100. You have to press shift and 8 for that star symbol, which means times. Close the window. Doesn't seem to have done anything, but when you fill it down you can see it has. Let's fill that all down. Now we know it's working. We expect the game to be almost certainly finished by term 82, for example. Okay, much higher up really, even by turn 24 there's almost a 99% chance. Okay, now we want to plot these two columns on a graph. This is dead easy. Select the two columns, right click, go to create polyline. Okay, so something should have appeared. You might have to zoom in and move it around a bit. Okay, now this will need neatening up. I'll do a bit of that here for you. We want to get rid of all these horrible letters. Go over here. Actually mouse over where it says point, right click, click on show object. That switches that off. We only need to see that line. You might want to change what the line looks like. So go right click, object properties, color, nice red, style, make it thicker. That's probably all you need. Yeah, don't want any dotted lines. Okay, looking much better. Click there. Well, that's where there's this is a little F, but that's what it's called at the moment. Got a basic in caption type what we want to call it, so probability I can't think of a good name at the minute, but that'll do. Okay. And at the moment it's showing the name as the label, but we want to show the caption, and that'll do. Okay, bit better. I'm going to make things a bit better and show you in the next video, but that's pretty good. What does this graph tell us? Well, for example, it tells us by about turn 20 the game is almost certainly finished, pretty 98 maybe %. Doesn't mean much on its own. I'd expect to see more graphs for different game boards on here to make comparisons. But that's the end of this video. See you later.